Ethereum explicitly is a highest-level mineable coin with the ticker ETH that really has an extremely present worth of $1,820.27 and a market capitalization of $218,920,972,206, which generally is genuinely huge. Digital currencies in a real sense have sort of lengthy past a purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors in a kind of large manner. These days, it's a resource class that is considerably directed and, surprisingly, took on as lawful delicate, which explicitly is very critical. Some very huge speculation banks even fundamentally gain Ethereum and other digital currencies as a group to generally safeguard their resources under administration against the running expansion that injures the customary monetary business sectors. Presently, now is the right time to by and large uncover our short, mid, and extremely long-haul expectation of the improvements on the ETH market that depend on the readings of our genuinely one-of-a-kind crypto unpredictability file that in a real sense assists us with measuring the market opinion and especially expect where in which the market plans to go. Showing how Ethereum basically is a highest-level mineable coin with the ticker ETH that especially has a very present worth of $1,820.27 and a market capitalization of $218,920,972,206, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. At this point, the cost of Ethereum in a real sense is $1,820.27, while the coin at present in a real sense ends up at second spot in the fundamentally generally most certainly positioning in a significant manner. The said certainly positioning in every practical sense is assessed based on the resource's certainly present value that sort of is duplicated by its sort of current market capitalization, a recipe that generally is applied all through every single monetary market, which really is genuinely huge. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions, so our clients essentially get the most pertinent information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios, which is genuinely huge. It's likewise essential to by and large consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its course in an unpretentious manner. On November 2, the cost of Ethereum explicitly was at $1,846.77 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change in a real sense added up to 0.48%, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. 7 days prior, on October 27, ETH really was esteemed at $1,803.78, which truly intends that from that point forward, the cost has changed by 0% in an unpretentious manner. A month prior, on October 3, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $1,656.69. Subsequently, the coin generally has taken a 9.61% action to arrive at its by and large present standings, which sort of is very critical. The examination of market capitalization especially conveys pretty equivalent significance in both digital currency and conventional business sectors in a really significant manner. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology sort of is utilized to sort of decide the genuinely by and large position and prevalence of computerized resources and stocks, for example in an unpretentious way. Changes in market capitalization, quite sure or negative, generally are likewise characteristic of the manner by which the said market could explicitly be going, as well as the resource's kind of potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both truly short and certainly long-haul viewpoints, or so they truly thought. This specific in every way that really matters, metric in every way that really matters, is additionally used to measure the predominance of Ethereum, according to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. To decide the kind of current market capitalization of ETH, we actually duplicate the circling supply, the boundary that will especially be fundamentally made sense of later by the current worth of the digital money under survey, or so they truly thought. Starting today, the market capitalization of Ethereum remains at $218,920,972,206, which frames the reason for most certainly present truly positioning in a real sense was referenced before, which sort of is genuinely huge. Yesterday, on November 2, ETH basically had a market capitalization of $222,109,825,390 in a significant manner. Keep going week, on October 27, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to by and large was recorded at $216,922,270,642, which generally is genuinely huge. A month prior, on October 3, the market worth of Ethereum generally was surveyed to explicitly be $199.200 when $959.945, showing it keep going weak. In October 27, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to explicitly was recorded at $216.922.270 when 642. All-out supply considers the quantity of coins that really have proactively been delivered by different means, for example, through mining, showing how starting today, the market capitalization of Ethereum explicitly remains at $218.920.972.206, which frames the reason for pretty present, certainly positioning in a real sense was referenced before, or so the fundamentally thought. These digital currencies can commonly be utilized either for exceptionally dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers, so presently, now is the ideal time to generally uncover our short, mid, and in every practical sense, long-haul expectation of the improvements on the ETH market that explicitly depend on the readings of our in every practical sense. Remarkable crypto unpredictability file that assists us with measuring the market opinion and for the most part, expect where in which the market means to go, showing how Ethereum in a real sense is a highest level mineable coin, with the ticker ETH, that really has a genuinely present worth of $1,820.27 and a market capitalization of $218.920.972.206 versus the for the most part thought. This extremely metric likewise figures the coins that explicitly have been progressively transitioned away from through the cycle called consuming, which in every practical sense is applied to control the expansion rate, which truly is very huge. At this point, the sort of all-out supply of Ethereum especially is laid out at 120,268,317 ETH, kind of additional appearance how this exceptionally metric likewise figures the coins that certainly have been eliminated through the interaction called consuming, which generally is applied to control the expansion rate, which explicitly is very huge. Ultimately, the circling supply truly is utilized to truly work out the market capitalization and in every practical sense, survey the coins by and large current remaining in the positions, by and large further appearance, how digital currencies for the most part have commonly lengthy past the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers. Which is genuinely critical. It indicates the kind of and general measure of ETH that generally is by and by exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly basically put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. It's by and large commonly accepted that digital currencies that explicitly have a flowing stock between 60 million and 150 million for the most part are the most reasonable for long-haul speculation, since they in every practical sense are probably going to by and large value in esteem over a drawn-out timeframe, perhaps many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. Which generally is very critical. At this point, Ethereum most certainly has a circling supply of 120,268,317 coins. Over the truly beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ETH arrived at the mark of $7.4